Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and we're going to go in here and try some good old shepherd's pie. Heard it's the best on the strip, and this is the famous Old Irish Pubs in Myrtle Beach.
See, you have a sampler here of, what is that called?
It's their Irish cider.
It's your Irish cider?
Yes, and it is very good. It's a little sweet, not too overbearing. It is good.
Yes, citron, vodka, passion fruit Malibu, and pineapple and cranberry juice.
I didn't taste my mine.
Okay, I got the Smittix, and it's spelled Smithwicks, but it's pronounced Smittix. Now, what are you going to get?
All right, I am going to get the old corner beef sandwich.
Corner?
Look at it.
Where we at?
Corned beef sandwich. That's what it is, corned beef. Then
She's going to get the old corner beef sandwich. Oh, it's corned beef, okay.
Okay, for starters, we're going to do the Irish egg rolls. And then I am going to have the old corned beef sandwich.
And I am going to get the shepherd's pie. I love shepherd's pie. Now this is the what?
The Irish egg rolls.
The Irish egg rolls. All right.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, can you see it? Let's see. Look at all that goodness.
You got that special dipping sauce, or are you going to use?
Got carrots, cheese, and let's see. Delicious.
Good. There we go. Look at that shepherd's pie. And what'd you get?
And I got delicious corned beef. Look at all that goodness right there. Let's see. I can't even pick it up. Ready?
Too big?
Yeah. Make sure I got it.
Good gracious.
I know. Right? Look at that. Okay. Oh yeah, that'll work. Yummy Irish pizza. Thank you. That looks delicious. That's it. And from one Irish to another, Irish eyes are smiling back at you. There you have it. Wasn't that delicious? I see your mouth watering. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell so you too can keep beaching.